Most young men experience a period of their lives filled with pimples and breakouts, and I was no different. Throughout middle school and part of high school, I felt insecure about my skin. It seemed like everyone was staring at my acne, which significantly impacted my confidence, my ability to make friends, and my overall self-esteem. I even dreaded going to school because, on top of our family not having much money and wearing not so nice clothes, my skin issues made me want to stay home and hide. Thankfully, I found a solution. While some of you might outgrow acne naturally, many of you will need to take action to see improvements. It's common to have pimples as a teenager. In fact, the American Academy of Dermatology reports that 82% of teenagers aged 14 to 16 have acne. However, it's a different story when you're older and still dealing with breakouts. The good news is that achieving clear, healthy skin, often called glass skin, doesn't have to be complicated. The basics of skincare. 1. Wash your face properly. Use a face wash specifically designed for your face, not bar soap or body wash. These products are formulated for the delicate skin on your face and often contain beneficial ingredients like aloe for irritation, jojoba oil to hydrate and reduce breakouts, and cucumber to reduce dark spots. Wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. 2. Moisturize. After cleansing, your skin might feel dry because washing removes some natural oils. Apply a moisturizer to hydrate your skin and create a protective barrier. Moisturizing is essential for maintaining that natural glow and preventing dryness. Exfoliate twice a week. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells, improving skin texture and tone. It can also reduce acne by preventing clogged pores. Use exfoliants with gentle, gritty ingredients like pumice powder. Remember, only exfoliate twice a week to avoid irritating your skin. These products are pricey but effective. However, for most people, sticking to the basics will suffice. Final thoughts. Achieving clear, glass skin is possible with a consistent, simple skincare routine. Focus on washing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin daily. If you want to take it further, consider adding products like exfoliants, eye serum, and retinol. Remember, good skincare requires discipline and consistency, but the results are worth it.